Hello everybody, this is dietitian Aisha. Today I am here to talk to you about hypertension. So let us first understand what hypertension is. It is a condition in which the force of blood against the arterial walls is too high, and we usually called it as high blood pressure. It has no obvious symptoms, but it has severe complications. It can affect your brain, your eyes, your kidneys, your heart, and it is also related to the onset of diabetes. We can prevent this disease by maintaining a proper diet and maintaining physical activities. It is a silent killer because it doesn't have any obvious symptoms. We can cure this disease by making changes in our diet, including those foods or fruits in your diet that lowers your blood pressure. The normal range of blood pressure is less than 120 for systolic and less than 80 for diastolic. And above this range, it is pre-hypertension and hypertension stage 1 and stage 2, that is moderate and severe. The working of heart. Here is a list of foods that lower your blood pressure. Green leafy vegetables. They are very rich source of potassium. Potassium is very important for your blood pressure because it reduces the excess sodium and it excretes the excess sodium from your body through urine. So incorporate more of green leafy vegetables in your diet in the form of curries or salad, or you can add green leafy vegetables to other curries made with dal or other vegetables. In this way, you can maintain your blood pressure. The other fruits are bananas. These are also very rich in potassium and it is easily and commonly available. You can have 1 banana or 2 banana daily. It is suitable for every age group. Old age people also can have that. And pomegranate, it is very rich source of nitrate. Nitrate helps in widening your blood vessels, thereby maintaining your blood pressure. Consume whole pomegranate instead of making its juice. In this way you can obtain all the nutrients. Berries, these are rich source of flavonoids, again helping in lowering your blood pressure. So incorporate these types of fruits in your diet, which helps in preventing this condition and maintaining your blood pressure to normal levels. And in vegetables, beetroot, it is very essential to include beetroot because it is a rich source of nitrate which reduces the pressure of your blood and maintains your blood pressure. Include it in the form of salad. You can have it in your lunch and dinner also. And low fat milk, yogurt, they are very rich source of calcium. Calcium is important because it assists in blood vessel constriction and dilation. Therefore, have a glass of milk, low fat milk in the morning and in bedtime. Oats are very low in fat and low in sodium, but they are high in fiber. Eating them for breakfast will be beneficial for you to control your blood pressure. You can make oats upma, oats dalia. So include these type of cereals in your diet. And in seafoods, fish is a very rich source of omega-3 fatty acids. These fatty acids will not only reduce your inflammation and triglycerides also, and it is a good source of vitamin D and also lowers your blood pressure. And in oils, olive oil is a healthy fat. They contain micronutrients called polyphenols that are packed with antioxidants that fight inflammation and helps in lowering your blood pressure. So incorporate more of olive oil instead of other groundnut oil. Garlic is also very important ingredient. We will include in these type of ingredients in our daily diets. You can have it raw, a clove of garlic in the morning is very beneficial for hypertensive patients and to normal people also. And dark chocolates. 70% of cocoa will not only lower your blood pressure but also increase insulin sensitivity, and it also reduces the risk of diabetes. They are a good source of flavonoids. Flavonoids widen your blood vessels and helps to lower your blood pressure. And in dry fruits, pistachios are a very good source of nitrates, helping in reducing your heart rate and tightening your blood vessels, thereby reducing blood pressure.